Where is the fuse box located in your 2023 Hyundai Kona, and what do the fuses control? In this guide, we'll explore the fuse box diagram and location to help you troubleshoot electrical issues and maintain your vehicle's essential functions. Instrument panel fuse panel. The instrument panel fuse panel controls and protects electrical circuits for interior features like the dashboard, infotainment system, and power windows. It houses multiple fuses for easy troubleshooting and replacement. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel houses essential fuses and relays that control critical systems like the cooling fan, fuel pump, and ignition. It is protected by a durable cover to shield it from heat and moisture. Clear labeling ensures easy identification and troubleshooting.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure, If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.